there's going to come a time when you get invited to places, such as me and my wife got invited to this banquet that we're going to, where you have no idea what the food is going to be like. So what I'm going to personally do is I fasted all day today because I don't know what they're going to have. And I'll be honest, I might have things that aren't carnivore keto, okay? I might just do that. So in that case, if you get invited to somewhere, you're not sure what the menu is, I would recommend to fast all day and then just have that one meal in that one sitting, okay? That's what I would recommend because there's gonna be times where that's gonna happen, okay? So my wife and I, we're gonna be heading down to Clearwater here in Florida to this very nice banquet. It's something that we're a part of, and we will see you there. So we are going across the water, almost there. I guess we'll be there about 5:19. 5:30 is the deadline. So this is Clearwater, beautiful Clearwater in Florida. And man, the traffic in Florida is getting ridiculous. And here we are at Ruth Eckerd Hall here with my lovely wife. It'll be interesting to see what kind of hors d'oeuvres they have and what we're actually going to have for dinner. So hopefully we'll be able to make some healthy choices. Okay, so our table is going to be right here. So it looks like people are just starting to get in here. So it looks like we've got some stuff going on out there. I still do not know what we are going to eat. It'll be very interesting. Now, I haven't eaten all day. I've been fasting. So that's, like I said, that's one of the things that you can do is if you don't know what they're going to be serving and you're kind of trying to stick to your diet, intermittent fasting is going to really save you. I don't know if you've seen my lovely wife, but we're here at this banquet and we're going to go outside and see what kind of hors d'oeuvres that they're actually going to be serving. So let's go take a look.
It's roasted pork with cilantro wrapped in a wonton. It's got an agave
Wow.
nectar and IPA drizzle.
And what's it called again?
Cuban cigar.
Cuban cigar. Hey, that's right up your alley. Come on. You have to let me know how it tastes.
A little mushroom sauce. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes.
And what was it called again?
Smoked provolone risotto cake with mushroom.
Mushroom
Delicious.
sauce. Wow, I'm gonna have to give that a try.
Got that crunchy.
Almost knocked over the whole tray.
Out on the table. Here.
So as you saw, they were fried, so probably not the best option as far as my diet goes. But again, I did fast. I'm not gonna be overdoing it. I'm still gonna be well below my calories. And that's really the name of the game, is to be in a caloric deficit. So far so good. I have a feeling the dinner is gonna be pretty awesome. Okay, and what was it called?
It's a sesame peppercorn crusted ahi tuna on a crispy wonton.
Oh yeah, we gotta try that. All right, so we're actually starting off with a salad. And it looks like we got our dressing over there. So it looks like it's gonna be a pretty good night. Now we're getting pretty full. Wasn't so crowded when I first got here. Of course, let's go to my table. Looks like we are eating some salad. So this is looking pretty good. We've got some steak here, chicken, asparagus. This is the kind of meal I want to have.
Sometimes the judgment is quick. You touch that arc. I told you don't touch that arc, and the judgment is quick. There's a consequence for disobedience. Other times,
That
God's
is
still
going
care
to be a
judgment.
no for me. Okay, so the dinner went pretty well. We had some hors d'oeuvres. They were fried, so that wasn't too bad. All right, you saw we had steak, chicken, a little bit of potatoes. Wasn't too bad, and we had some asparagus. And then, as you saw, I did pass up on one of my favorite desserts, key lime pie. Now you can ask my wife, did I have the key lime pie?
No.
I did not, all right? So there was 3 things that were a hard no, okay? There was alcohol, so I didn't drink any wine, right? No wine. There were rolls on the table. There had no rolls, and then obviously the dessert. So those are my 3 hard no's that I said I absolutely can't do it because alcohol will totally wreck your weight loss. Bread and butter, you're mixing a carb with a high fat, no good, and obviously desserts.
And you said no pasta. But
Well,
there wasn't any.
pasta. We didn't have to worry about that. But there was, actually, I couldn't have any dessert. So we did fine there. All right. So you can do it. You can stay strict. You can kind of pick and choose what meals you want to stay healthy. And I thought it was actually pretty good. We both got steak and chicken. Right? Pretty good, right?
Yes.
We're pretty much just stopped. So it is taking forever to get home. It's 10:35. It looks like there's a couple accidents on the interstate. But we had fun though. We did have fun. It's just taking forever to get home. Since we're stuck in this traffic, I'll just go ahead and bring this video to a close. But the main point of the entire day, as you watched at the beginning of the video, was I fasted all day. I went to this banquet. I had a few things that weren't quite on the keto carnivore plan, but that's okay. I'm probably still in a caloric deficit. However, whenever you are going out to eat, no matter where you're going, a 3 hard no's. Keep this in mind. Pass up on the alcohol, pass up on the table bread, and definitely pass up on dessert, and you are going to be just fine with your weight loss goals. So if you like this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. And with that, hopefully we'll get home soon. Have a good night.